Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to change your Snapchat profile picture. To start this tutorial, go ahead, open and locate your Snapchat application in your mobile device. Now tap your profile picture on the upper left. In here, scroll down. Then tap on Create Public Profile. Over here, just swipe, then click on Get Started and then Create. This will take a few seconds to load, so wait for it. Once it finishes loading, your public profile is now created over at Snapchat. Now, tap on My Public Profile. In here, just tap on Edit Profile. And then, you can now add your profile picture by clicking on the camera icon and then choosing from one of your gallery pictures. And that's it! Thank you very much for watching! Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel.